Alright guys, who do we have here?
I'm Gary, this is my daughter Alexi.
And what are you guys doing today?
Jump out of a plane for her 70th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
Yeah.
Great way to spend a birthday.
Yeah, it is.
You excited?
Yeah,
Nervous?
I'm very excited.
You excited?
Yep.
Nervous?
I'm very excited.
Good.
I think I will be nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll settle. Alright, we're gonna take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down under parachute. You ready?
Yep, ready to go?
Let's do it.
All right.
Alright, we found us an airplane ready to get in the thing, so we get right back out of it.
Yeah, we're ready.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright, high five. High five.
Yay! Happy birthday, Jessica.
Happy birthday! Woo!
Yeah. What a great birthday present.
Yeah. Happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
It's a great way to spend it.
Oh yeah. This has to be every birthday.
Beautiful. Watch this parachute.
There you go. Alright man, welcome back to it.
Hey, thank you. Good to be back. I'll do it again. Yeah.
Alright man, you just jumped out of an airplane.
Hey, that was amazing. That
Yeah?
was great.
Yeah? What was your
So
favorite part?
You know, probably the free falls. Jumping out of the plane was great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
heck yeah. That's when it really hits you, like
Oh,
you're doing
does.
it.
It does. You were great.
Thank you. Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
That's what we like to hear,
Absolutely.
man. Thanks for jumping
Okay,
with us.
yep, thank you. Woo!